Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Learn with me ABCD alphabet with picture. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant, F for flag, Z for gun, H for hippo, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen bee, R for rose, S for snail, T for turtle, U for unicorn, V for vase, W for wolf, X for Xerox, Y for yak, Z for zebra.